Hello and welcome back. Let's learn how to solve this problem. We are given Gregory can buy 4 pounds of wheat flour for $8 and 5 pounds of rye flour for $20. He has $12 to spend on a flour mixture. What linear equation in standard form can Gregory use to model the situation? Okay, well, there's a lot of information here. We got to be careful when we break it down. Okay, so note the first quantity they gave us. They said 4 pounds of wheat flour is $8. So do we know how much it is for 1 pound of wheat flour? Well, sure, if we know 4 pounds is $8 and it's the same for every pound, we just do 8 divided by 4. So if I say that the cost for 1 pound of wheat flour is W equals cost for 1 pound of wheat flour is equal to $8, then that means if I isolate W, I get it's $2 per pound for wheat flour. Similarly, this 5 pounds of rye flour for $20, I said R is equal to the cost for 1 pound, that looks like 11, hold on, for 1 pound, that still looks like 11, come on dude, 1 pound of rye flour is $20, so then we can, no, 5 pounds of rye flour is $20, so that means 5R equals $20, so that means that 1 pound is $4. 1 pound of rye is $4. 1 pound of wheat is $2. He doesn't want to spend more than $12, so now we can come up with an equation. It's $2 per pound times the number of pounds of wheat flour. Let's say that the number of pounds is X. The number of pounds of wheat flour is X plus $4 a pound times the number of pounds of rye flour, let's call that Y, and we need the whole thing to equal 12. We're done.